Getting called a nerd? No more. Getting called soft? None of that. A wuss? A girl? Ugly? Shy? A loser? None of that. Not no more. Not after today's video, because today I'm gonna show you how to move and position your body so you have complete control of your body language so you can change how people perceive you. Even if they don't like you after this video, trust me, they're gonna love you. Let's hop into it. Number one, probably the most important one, you gotta smile. Now, I'm opening with this tip because possibly this is the easiest thing that you can start doing now. You have to rewire that frown into a heartwarming smile that will make everybody feel or think that you're having a great time and a complete stud. When you just smile at people, they'll tend to remember you more clearly because you just seem more trustworthy and approachable. It's just a positive exchange of energy that everybody wants to be part of. This rolls us on to number two. Just change your stance a little bit. Weak men have a tendency of standing and walking in a way that takes the least amount of square footage as possible. Not only does this look shy, this also puts you in a weak center of gravity for your body that if anybody ends up bumping into you accidentally or ends up pushing you as if they're joking with you, you're gonna end up tumbling to the side and just look weak. If you stop doing that and instead just open up your stance, it gives you a solid base that's just unmovable. You're just gonna appear stronger and more dominant since you're taking up more space and taking up the space that you require to feel confident. Rolls on to number three. You have to give the right amount of eye contact. It can be a little bit tricky. If you do too much eye contact, you'll either be seen as a freak or a bully that's trying to intimidate somebody and make them feel smaller. Do too little and now you seem timid or untrustworthy. According to US and European standards, the right amount to stare at somebody's eyes during a conversation is anywhere from 50 to 60% of the time. Of course, this is only if you're indoors. If you're outdoors and you don't want to worry about that, then just pop on some frames, boys. I've told you this before, frames, they are your best friend when it comes to body language and how cool you appear. You put these on and you can stare at their face all day long. You're gonna look super confident, never too shy, and also give a bit of mystery, a bit of that bad boy aesthetic. I believe frames could very well be one of the most important accessories a man owns in their wardrobe. It makes you look cool, so it helps with body language. It's a style piece, so you look more stylish. Structures your face, so you look more aesthetic, and then more importantly, if they are UVA and UVB protected, they protect your eyes so they're functional. What other style piece gives you all those benefits? So if you don't have good frames in your collection, what are you doing? You need to check out Jade Black. The stylish frames you want that are made with the quality that you deserve. Honestly, boys, if you're in the market for frames but don't want to have to spend $200, $300, or $400 for frames, every time I wanted a good pair of frames, I had to go to Ray-Ban and they cost me like 200 bucks. That's a joke. Most of these guys have middleman and then they do crazy markups to increase their profits. Me? I just want to serve you guys. I want to make sure all of you look attractive and feel confident. I ain't greedy. I just want you to be a stud. We're sold out of a lot of Jade Black because, well, they were amazing. Not as amazing as what's coming this collection. So right now, for the end of June, beginning of July, we're dropping a new collection of Jade Black. And these boys, they're just no competition. You see, when I moved into the frame business, nobody was doing it. And I felt I could do it better than anybody else. And I was right. These new frames, they're gonna be Italian acetate, metal hardware. And then the lenses, they're gonna be made out of glass and they're gonna be polarized glass lenses. You're gonna have the best of the best and they're still gonna be under 50 bucks. Also working on prescription lenses. We also have in the works right now blue light lenses. These will come out very soon, but these are lenses that, as you can see here, that block the blue light off electronic devices. You can be on your phone as much as you want and you won't be causing any damage to your eyes. If you guys wanna check out Jade Black and see just how amazing our product is and why I hype him up so much, go ahead and click that link down below and check out some of our glasses and see just how amazing they are and how good you're gonna end up looking. Number four, make a steeple with your hand. This is the movement where you hold your fingertips together and your palms away from each other to kind of just signal to other people that you are in control. If you notice, both bosses and politicians do this all the time to just subliminally show everybody else that they are in charge. It also shows commitment and trustworthiness, which is exactly what you want to do. So while you're in mid-conversation or while you're talking to somebody, giving them a speech, always do a steeple. This is a powerful move. 5, stand in a way that produces testosterone. When you have higher levels of testosterone, your stress and anxiety, they just go away. And this is usually because of social interactions. This causes a lot of anxiety in men. When your stress is high, that all goes away and you look more confident and dominant. And here's the great part. Both Harvard and Columbia have both shown studies that just the way you stand or sit, if you stand in a position of power or sit in a position of power for only 1 or 2 minutes, can immediately boost your testosterone, make you relax, and most importantly, make you feel confident. A great example of this is the classic boss pose, where you'll lean back in your chair and you'll put your feet on top of the table. Try that move in the comfort of your home and just see how you feel. You're gonna feel the test literally brewing inside of you. Number 6, mirror and nod. And the easiest way to change someone's perception of you is to just mirror their movements. Even if they hate you, I promise you, they're gonna end up liking you. Mirror the same expressions or even try the same mannerisms as the other person to create a sort of bonding experience. Do this while you're calmly nodding as they're speaking to you, and I guarantee you, you're gonna change any negative perception this person had of you. Finally, number 7, boys, you gotta dress with confidence. This is why I have a whole channel on this. Your style is super important. Just look at what we did with the Bober series with the 22-year-old virgin. That kid, when he went back home, he texted me. Nobody could even recognize him because of how much confidence this man had. Clothes do make a difference on how we perceive ourselves and how others perceive us. Dressing confidently is not just about the latest trends, it's about feeling assured in yourself to the point that it gives you confident posture. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, if you guys want to check out a sweet pair of frames, don't forget to check out Jade Black. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.